Welcome back. Goa government will soon come up with new sand mining policy. Advocate General informed this to the High Court on Tuesday. However, the state is now facing question of disposal of sand seized by the Mines Department in the recent illegal sand mining raids. The Mines Department has recently started raiding illegal sand miners following directions from the High Court.
The issue of illegal sand mining in the state is before the High Court. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni on Tuesday informed the High Court that Goa government will soon come up with the new sand mining policy. He made the statement during hearing on a PIL. Advocate General said that following the High Court's direction to stop illegal sand mining, government is taking major steps in terms of conducting raids and arresting the people involved. Recently, 49 accused have been arrested and 9 canoes and illegally extracted sand has been seized. The amicus curiae in this matter questioned the government on disposing the seized sand. AG said that the process to finalize the sand mining policy is on. The issues of disposal of seized sands, whether it should be auctioned or should be restored, is yet to be decided. AG also asked the amicus curiae his suggestions about disposal of seized sand and the amount of fine to be levied. AG said the government will consider these inputs in the proposed sand mining policy. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The garbage lot of Mormugao municipality is overflowing with garbage. There is no more space to dump the city garbage. The garbage trucks are loaded with waste and stationed at the MMC garden. The garbage treatment plant is non-functional since past 6 months. People have complained of filthy smell, expressing threat of health hazards.
This is the garbage plant at Mormugao. It is overflowing with garbage. And why is this garbage overflowing? Garbage treatment plant is not in operation. Since 6 months, the plant is under breakdown. When asked, the laborers said that municipality has not provided JCB which lifts the garbage at the site.
हमारा JCB बंद है सर, 15 दिन से JCB बंद है. उसका वजह से कचरा हमारा गेट तक आया है. अभी म्युनिसिपैलिटी को हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है. म्युनिसिपैलिटी बोला था JCB भेजता बोल के, अभी तक तो JCB नहीं आया फिलहाल.
प्लांट भी बंद है गार्बेज मैन्युअर करने का.
हाँ, गार्बेज प्लांट तो 6 महीने से बंद है.
6 महिने झाले हो बंद केला तेंच्यांनी. त्यांना हे हाडून वता ते घाण येता ते सोचपाक जायना. सोयरे धारे येयले नाक बंद करून रावतात ते आनी म्हणटा कसलो वास येता काय म्हणटा आमकां. आनी ती जनावरांय जाल्यार रस्त्यार वाडून वतयतात ते कोयर सगळो. तेन्ना ते तोंडान धरून कुत्रे हांगा दारान घेवन येता आनी कुत्रे चावो घेता लोकांचे.
People are worried as the foul smell of the garbage is causing health hazard.
मुरगांव नगरपालिका ही सदांच गार्बेजी वयल्यान विशयान आसा. आयज आमी आसा मुरगांव पालिकेच्या सडा गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचेर. एक गेट आसा मुरगांव ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाची आनी हांगसर पळय त्या गेटीच्या कुशीकूच हांगसर हो सगळो कचरो भरलेलो आसा. कचरो म्युनिसिपालिटीचो असो पडून उरलेलो आसा की हांगसर जागोच ना आनी गार्बेज घालपाक. म्युनिसिपालिटी जर काम करिना जाल्यार गार्बेज हांगसर अशीच उरतली, तुंबून उरतली. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.